The number of blind children in the world is approximately 1.4 million. About 3/4 of the world's blind children live in the poorest regions of Africa and Asia. There are numerous tactile learning materials for these blind children, such as tactile art kits or books, but it is limited with what the publisher creates. SEER offers a platform that serves as a gateway for these children to explore the world through tactile photography. We want to democratize photography for the visually impaired children to capture images and learn about their surroundings through tactile photos. These experiences will enhance their level of tactile literacy. The SEER Smart Camera leverages on the capabilities of current 3D cameras to capture photos for tactile generation. SEER users will be trained with the basics of photography such as framing, with the aid of the haptic viewfinder in the camera. SEER, providing an inclusive platform for BIB children to play, explore, and learn through tactile photography.